Hi guys, how do you do? I hope you guys are quite safe and sound. Guys, here I am Abdul Muhammad and I am to teach you today Uzbek, how to greet in Uzbek language. Guys, let's start the video. Before starting the video, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel if you are new one, and please share the video and like, share and comment. Do comment please. So let's start today's video. This one we are going to do today. Wishing methods in Uzbek language. Hi. How to say hi? When you are going to say hi, so it will be salom. Salom. Person A is saying salom. Person B, when you are going to say hello, salom lashes. Salom lashes. How is said qalay war qanday in Uzbek? So it will be how are you? Qalaysiz. 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 Yakshimisiz. Tuzukmishiz. Qalaysiz. Yakshimisiz. Tuzukmishiz. Or you can say Akshi Europsism. So these are common expressions to say how you in Uzbek. Please memorize them. Qalaysiz. Yakshimisiz. Tuzukmishiz. Yakshi Europsism. I'm fine. I'm fine. So I men. Yakshi fine. Man am. So first subject, then predicate, then verb to be. It will be I'm fine. Men yakshi man. Men yakshi man. Thank you. Thank you is called rahmat. Rahmat. When you are going to say thank you very much, so it will be what? It will be thank you very much. Katta rahmat. Katta rahmat. So here katta rahmat is thank you very much. This one, thank you very much. Katta rahmat. Katta rahmat. When someone is saying katta rahmat, thank you very much, so you will have to say you are welcome. You are welcome. Arzi maide. Arzi maide. Now, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you actually means I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad to see you. Tanish ghanimdan khursandman. The first expression is Tanish ghanimdan khursandman. And second expression will be Kor ganimdan khursanman. Kor ganimdan khursanman. When nice to meet you, how to respond? Same to you. So same to you in English, how to express this word in Uzbek. So it will be Sizga ham shundai. Sizga ham shundai. Sizga ham shundai. Have a good day ahead. Have a good day ahead. So it will be Kuningis your day khairli. Good Austin. Should we? Kuningis khairli Austin. Kuningis khairli Austin. Same to you. Sizgaham shundai. So this expression is coming again and again, guys. Please memorize them well. If you want to speak Uzbek language, siz mengabilan Uzbek cha organ mo khohlaisis. Mamu yok, esla. Here, good morning, khairli tong. So, morning is tong or morning is artlab. Okay. So, good morning, khairli tong. Good afternoon, khairli kun. Kun means day, kun means afternoon. So, good afternoon, khairli kun. Now, good evening, khairli kech or khairli okshom. Khairli kech, khairli okshom. Good night, khairli tun. I'm sorry. Men uz sorayman. It's okay. Hammasi joida. Hammasi joida. Excuse me, many or manga. Many means its objective form. Many or manga. Kachira says me, many, manga. Kachira says excuse. Bye bye. Bye bye khair or maili khair. Two expressions khair or maili khair. Now see you tomorrow. Ertaga korish goncha. Ertaga korish goncha. What? Nima. What's your name? Ismengiz Nima. Ismengiz your name. Nima what? What's your name? Ismengiz Nima. My name is Anis. Ismim Anis. It's an example. Okay. It's an example. My name is Anis. My name is whatever your name. Just you say Ismim. Then you put your name. You add your name. Whatever your name. Then you can say Ismim. Whatever. Like Ismim Abdul Muhaymin. Ismim Anis. Im for my. It's put. This suffix is put after whatever noun. Ismim mine. Like kitab. Kitabim my book. Ing is your. Okay. So Isming is your name. Kitabing is your book. Wasiji or sija. And what's about you? What's about you? When you say what's about you, so this expression is wasichi. So you will say wasichi. What's it so and what's about you? What's your name? So you will say meaning is me whatever your name. Then you will have to put. So guys, in this video that much. We will meet in the second video. Please be continued and please be sure and like comment our video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for listening to me and having me and watching my video. Thank you.